How to fix IPv6 no network access error on Windows. 1. Restart the device. 2. Restart the router and modem, if any. 3. Update the device's operating system. 4. Check for network device driver updates using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Upgrade the router's firmware. 6. Run internet connections troubleshooter. 7. Disable and then enable each of the network connections. 8. Run 2 commands as admin. netshare winsock reset catalog netshare int IPv6 reset.log. Restart your system. 9. Reset network settings. 10. Disable any active virtual private network, VPN, connection. 11. Disable the firewall on Windows or Mac. 12. Disable the IP helper service. 13. Enable IPv6 connections in router admin page and set auto detect or auto config to IPv6 connections. 14. Adjust the IPv6 tunnel settings in home router. Hints: 1. Use 624 tunnel. 2. Disable share IPv6 connection on an Apple airport router. 15. Contact the device manufacturer or your ISP for additional support.